AI native is essentially the idea that you're going to build products that are the manifestation of some underlying machine learning capability. So the example that I like to use is if you think of autonomous driving and you have an algorithm that allows a vehicle to be perfectly self-driving. You have two choices. You can say, well, I want to bolt this into an existing car and I'm going to have to retrofit it with cameras and sensors and servos or whatever so you can execute what that algorithmic capability is providing. Or you can say, because I have this algorithmic capability, I get to reimagine what the product is. And in the case of a car, I can say, well, I don't need a steering wheel, I don't need a windshield, I can put a television set if I want to because I don't need to look outside anymore. So that algorithmic capability allows you to completely reimagine what the product is. The interfaces that we've created for agents are the result of the underlying algorithmic capabilities that allow the agent to be suggested what to tell to a customer, what to do in terms of an action, how to summarize that conversation. All those things that are underlying machine learning capabilities that we've developed allow us to then construct an interface that capitalizes on that capability so they can have the maximum impact with their users. If you ask me, can we build a widget and put it on top of those legacy platforms and digitally transform how those organizations work? I think that's a pretty flawed premise, and it's like putting wings on a train and hoping it flies. If you want something that flies, you gotta build an airplane. In this case, if you wanna have a system that is helping in real time agents do their work to a much higher degree of productivity that they've ever done before, you can't do that within the constraints of the legacy platform. You have to reimagine what are the products and interfaces and platforms that the agents are gonna use to do their job, and that's what ASAPP's built.